Want to turn your knowledge into income? I'm going to show you how you can create an online course in just 5 steps. Okay, so the step one is to choose your topic. So the topic now is basically what you have knowledge about, anything you are good at, and also check the marketability of what you know. All right, so you must not really be an expert. All right, just be good at something and then you can create your course on that. So select your topic. In case you are finding it difficult in choosing your topic, just type in what you know into AI. You can use ChatGPT. So type in what you know and then ask ChatGPT to recommend topic a topic you can, or a course topic you can create on. All right, so the step two is to plan your course. So now under the topic you have sub headings, you have modules, and so on. So you need to strategize how your course is going to look like. Okay, you can ask AI to suggest the content of how a course on that topic should look like. Okay, so then you edit it and you make it your own. Okay, so the step three now is to create and edit your content. So it could be a video. If you're using your smartphone, you can use your screen recorder app to record your videos. Okay, and then if you're using a system, you can use the OBS app, like I'm doing. You can use the OBS app to record your screen. And then if it's a face content, you can use your camera to record your face. Just ensure that the lighting is good, and also ensure that you use a good mic so that your audience can hear what you are saying. So after you create the content, you need to edit the content. So the course may not be fully video. Let's say you have some write-ups, you have to go through it and edit it. All right, you can use paraphrasing tools. You can also use ChatGPT to paraphrase for you. Okay, but just ensure that you edit and ensure that it is original. Okay, so if it's a video, you can use apps like, if you're using your Android phone, all right, or your Apple phone, you can use apps like VN. I don't know if it's available on iPhone, so you can use apps like VN or CapCut. However, if you are editing on your system, yes, you can also access CapCut on your system, and then you can also use Adobe Premiere. Okay, and then we also have DaVinci, we have Filmora, so you can use anyone that suits your preference. You can use it to edit your video. Okay, so the step four now is to host your course. So there are free platforms you can use to host your course, and there are also paid ones. So for the free ones, yes, you can just hold your course on WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp is kind of temporal and it's more like a class instead of a course, because WhatsApp cannot really save your course. But however, the one that can actually save your class and save it as a course is Telegram. Okay, so you can just create a Telegram channel. Okay, and then you can upload your course content. It supports text, pictures, videos, so you can structure your content on Telegram. And one thing I love about Telegram is that it saves all of those things on cloud. So even if you change your device, or as far as you can access your Telegram account, you can access your course even years back. Okay, so you can also upload your course on Google Drive. Okay, you can just upload your PDF, your videos, upload it on Google Drive, and then you can restrict access. You can restrict the access to only persons that you give access to. Yes, even on Telegram, you can restrict access. So let's say it's a paid class, you can restrict access. And then on YouTube, you can upload your content on YouTube. But however, if it's a paid content, you will need, if it's a paid course, then you will need to select it as unlisted or private, so that only persons that have the link will access your course, while for private, only people that you give access to will access your course. Okay, so that is it for the free ways. There are other ways you can explore. So for the paid ones, you can use Seller. Okay, Seller has a so Seller can enable you to upload your courses and have it structured on their websites. However, it's a paid feature. We also have Paystack storefront. You can use Teachable. We have Thinkific. We have Gumroad, and so on. So yes, you can upload your courses on these platforms. It depends on what you want to do. Okay, so the good thing about some of these paid platforms is that some of them actually promote your course for you. So you can just explore and do your research on that. So the fifth step now, after you have uploaded your course, is to promote the course. Yes, and you can do that organically or using paid ads. If you are going for the organic method, it's just simply sharing, promoting your course. Okay, promoting it. You can use social media. You can use your Facebook, your Instagram page. You can use your WhatsApp status. You can use WhatsApp broadcast. You can create content, about your products, short videos, and short educative videos on about your course and so on. So you can share with your friends, your families, ask them to promote for you, and all of these things. So for the paid ads is very straightforward. You can use Facebook and Instagram ads. You can use Google ads. I have a video on how you can set up your Facebook and Instagram ads, so you can just do well to watch that video if you want more information. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. So okay, I've created a video on how to YouTube using automations, and whether you want to show your face or not. If you want to create content on YouTube, then that video is for you. So just click on it. Yes, it's going to appear on your screen. Just click on it. It's a full course and it is very detailed. So if you want to learn how to YouTube from scratch to the top, then you want to watch that video. My name is Isaac Matt, and I'll see you in another video.